Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai sweet mung bean puff. These are an audience favorite for a reason. The homemade golden pastry on this curry puff is so good. It just melts in your mouth. Let's see how it's crispy. With the filling, I put the video link in the description box for many types of filling. The one that I recommend is sweet mung bean with coconut milk. So you can find in my playlist and see in puff and pie pastry, and then choose the one that you like. And also they have a lot of type of moon cake that you can try it. Let's start with the filling. First, we're gonna soak the mung bean for 6 hours at least, and after 6 hours, we're gonna steam it for 20 minutes, and then now it's cooked. When you check for the cook, you can see like this, it's cooked now. And then we're gonna remove from steamer and use the blender to puree the bean into the paste. Transfer the puree into the non-stick fry pan. Add the sugar, coconut milk, vegetable oil, and salt. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. Combine it well and cook over medium heat until the moisture is reduced. Constantly stir or flipping the paste over until the sugar is completely melted and the paste is no longer 45 minutes. And now it's ready. When you taste, you just put your finger and touch on the paste, and the paste is no longer stick on your finger when you touch it. And now it's ready. And then let's cool completely, and it's ready to be wet and shaped to be used as a filling for cake or pastry. For today, we use 20 grams per pieces. To make the curry puff pastry, have ready to dough. Start with the 2 tablespoons of the water and 3 tablespoons of red limestone water. If you doesn't have, you can use the 5 tablespoons of the water. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of the sugar and add a bit of the salt. And then mix it together. In the large bowl, add the water mixings, and then add 4 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. Sift all proposed flour for 200 grams into the water mixings. Mix it and knead to form a soft dough. If it's too dry or too wet, you can add just the oil and water and also the flour. Knead well until it's smooth. And now it's okay, you can see like this. And then divide evenly into the 5 balls. Make as a ball and cover and let aside for at least 30 minutes. Cover with the plastic wrap. And after 30 minutes, prepare the inner dough. Gonna sift 100 grams of the all-purpose flour and then add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it until it forms like a soft dough and then divide into the 5 balls. There are inner and outer dough. For this recipe, can make like 5 balls and then divide to be the 15 pieces of the puff. And then we're gonna flatten each piece of the outer dough into a flat circle and press a piece of the inner dough in the center. Gain the edge of the outer dough to enclose the inner dough. And repeat the same method until it finishes. And then cover the dough to prevent the dough from drying out and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, For each of dough, flatten and roll out on the lightly floured surface into a long rectangular shape with the rolling pin. Make the length about 7 or 8 inches and don't make it too flat because of easy to break after overlap. Roll up from one end to the other like a Swiss roll. And then we're gonna turn the roll dough upright and flatten out the roll again into the long rectangular shape. Roll up like a Swiss roll again. And then we're gonna cut each of small roll dough into the 3 equal parts with the sharp knife. The circle can be clearly seen on each piece of the cut dough. Use the hand press on the dough for make the circle at one side. And then we're gonna using a rolling pin. Press it flat and shape into a round shape with the circles. Position the flattened dough with the circle sit like a moon before adding filling in the center. Add 20 grams of the mung bean filling into the center. Fold and shape into the half moon and pinch off the edge together to seal in the filling. Flip the edge to secure the filling and then repeat with the remaining pastry and filling. For this step, you can keep in refrigerator for a long time, and when you want to eat, just remove from the refrigerator and make the fry. And then heat up enough oil for deep frying with the medium heat. Put the curry puff into the pot. Gently lower the curry puff into the hot oil and allow for gentle bubbling over medium heat until it's light golden brown. Turn the curry puff when one side is near light brown and crispy, and continue to deep fry until it's cooked. Be frying about 8 minutes. Remove the cooked curry puff from the hot oil with the strainer. And now it's ready. You can see our homemade golden pastry on this curry puff. It's so good and also very crispy and delicious. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.